back with our presentation, the NKI Innovation Squad, and our topic for part 2 is computer vision, and the product demo will be on Google Lens. So before we start with Google Lens, let's talk about computer vision. So what is computer vision? Computer vision enables computers to understand and interpret visual information like us humans, currently transforming industries like healthcare, autonomous systems like and Tesla and all the other and augmented reality by analyzing the text and videos. So it enables the computers to see and comprehend their environment. Which helps them make their decisions. Which helps them by making them decisions and recognizing patterns on their own without any human intervention. So that's the exact example of computer vision. No, that's the exact definition of computer vision. So that's what Google Lens uses. So it uses the camera to scan and check things. So the next would be the features of Google Lens. So we'll see those. So features of Google Lens. There are 4 main features here, which is text translation, product search, image recognition, and multifunction recognition. So text translation. It basically, what it does is, imagine you have like a piece of something written on a printed paper. In this case, we have something written in Russian, which we'll be able to show you later. So you can take a picture of that, or you can just hold it and scan it, and it'll give you an exact translation of that. Also, there are you can use other things as well. So example, we take one of those books and we scan it again. So it'll give us exact information of where that book, who wrote that book, and what that book contains, and etc. And it can also copy and paste information. So you want to paste something, you have a picture of something and you want to copy and paste it, but you're not able to. So you can always just you don't want to write it down, so you can take a picture of that information, and the text can be, you highlight the text and you can copy and you can paste it anywhere you want. So that's what text translation is. Next. Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about CNN. So first is CNN. So basically, as you can see, I have this diagram. This is basically an image. This is a ball, and you can imagine this is green, like grass. So basically, in the first part, it uses edge detection to extract the ball from the background. Now, from the second part, you go here and it detects the main features of the ball, so that it can be used for pooling. So in pooling, basically what it does is it simplifies the image so that it's like simpler for the machine to understand. Now it's flattening. So basically it converts data into vectors, which is one-dimensional arrays. Now FNN. We're going to be FNN is basically connected neural networks. We're going to be talking about that in the next part using another code that we have made. Now for the live demo. Yeah. Just you need to do it too. First, should we do the shirt? Should we do the shirt first? Okay, hold the shirt. It isn't. Okay. So first thing we're going to be using. Sorry. First we're gonna translate this Russian text into English. So you're gonna go to translate. Detect language. We can convert. I want to convert it to English.
Can you change that orientation of mobile?
I'll detect it again. So basically it detects the text and it detects the language. So basically this is Russian and I wanted to translate it to English. So now it's translated into English. Now we're gonna So basically it shows how to solve the question. This is the question. The what?
Why this show online?
This is the graph which it shows how to solve the equation. No, I think that. Now this is like places. The places का option है. I just do it search. It's detected that it's the Eiffel Tower. After that, this one. This one. No. Sure. Wait, no. It has shown similar towers, and in a miniature design. But if I can widen the image.
It's shown that same dollar.
Okay. Now we can use the mouse. Products. It's the product search. The lighting is not good. Exactly. These are the colors of the mouse. Does anyone have a watch that we can detect? Anyone have anything to detect?
Guys, it's very old, it's 60.
Is it same? It's similar.
No, it's not like the name, it is Regala.
I'll try it.
This one is correct. This one is similar.
It's just a different band.
Like an edge. Then if you take proper image, it will show. The dial has the golden.
Yeah. I have. Bro. Show the whole thing. I'm trying. Wait. These are all similar patterns.